Baqinisile nabathi umlomo uyadala. Early this year, Ntokoto uke wavela ku-TikTok ividiyo yakhe asho ukuthi boyfriend yami sukela ngiyithume esikhathini yothenga kudla solo ayibuye. And then wayenza lisayini lokuthi if akabuyi ngitomu, yabo, wayenza lisayini lokuthi utomnquma inzamo. So yeah. Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. On today's file we have uNtokoto Mabasa, lo wabulala, lo solelwa ukuthi nguye lo wabulala i-boyfriend yakhe uChichabo, 31 years old guy from Limpopo, Giyani, Malamulele. Kuthiwa mhla ka-22 September, these two couple baba ne-fight early hours ngabo 1 ekuseni. Bathe nabalwa kuvakele emsindo lenzani njani like yabo, ekulweni kwabo kugcine Chichabo alahlekelwa impilo yakhe. Amaphoyisa athi makafika athola ukuthi Chichabo ulele phansi ekishini nema-stabbed wounds emukhwa walapha ekishini ukuthi ukwaziwe on the upper body, yabo. So kuthe kusenjalo bathi uma bambuta ugirl uNtokoto wathi hhayi bekuyi-self defense because kwendeke 1, 2, 3. And then uthe uma abanjwa wayiswa e-Midrand police station. Wafika lapho on the 25th of September wavela e-court lapho lafike khona wancishwa khona ibheyili. Nakavumbuka lapha e-court yena ube ngumuntu lo worried ngokuthi uneliphepha likumele alibhale on what Monday njani because she's a vet student. So lokhu kubone kubaluleke kakhulu than ukuthi ahlale lapha ejele alenzele yonke into lekumele yenzeke. So uGaye impilo yakhe was cut short just like that. Maqiniso ngeke sisawathi ukuthi kwenzakalani because la kunaNtokoto's version and the neighbor's version. So asathi ukuthi lokungilo ngiliphi. And then ukuthi kusenjalo asadinayo i-bail kwaqhubeka. And then on the 3rd of October ngilapho la bese unika khona i-bail ya 10,000 rands. Ungaphandle lokusikhuluma icala lakhe litoqhubeka next year 2026 ngoFebruary. So guys, kwendeke kwabanjalo. So asathi ukuthi yini lephushe kwagcina sekufika la, but all we can say ukuthi justice must be served for this guy because akazange deserve kushona just like that. Bekasasemncane, bekasasemncane. And then la lokunye kubonakale abantu banema-question kakhulu after athole i-bail ukuthi why uGaye yena atothola i-bail just like, yabo. So astart ukuthi kwenakaleni, but angeni bathi you are not guilty until proven njalo. And then naye uthi makavela e-court bathi wavela nje wathi I'm not guilty. Hey guys, asadi, but kona kube buhlungu cause uGaye ushiye umntwana lo mncane and ekhaya kubo it's like bekayi-breadwinner, bekuthembe yena. So yabo ukuthi lama-pain lawa wasoze asuka kulabo bebadiphende kuye. Kuningi nje lokwendakalile la. So guys, sizoqhubeka ngayo uma langabe sekabuyela khona phakathi ne-trial yakhe 2026. Please like, comment and subscribe. Ngidonibona ku-video elandelayo. Bye.